Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic. I'm getting a lot of messages from a lot of individuals that are saying that they might not be able to get a scholarship, or they're finding it very difficult right now to find jobs. And what can they do to actually earn when they're studying abroad? And how can they pay their fee? And how can they actually keep up with their tuition as well? And the best method that I can recommend anyone is to start trading in cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency is a methodology. It's a method right now that is booming, and any student right now that is in university or is planning on going to university, if you understand the mechanism of how the system works, it can help you in paying off your fees. It can help you with your living expenses once you go to either the UK or the US or Australia or Canada. It can help you develop a passive income stream for yourself. And that is why I'm going to go in great detail in my next couple of videos to explain how the system works and how Binance, on which you can trade and actually earn a good livelihood, how does that happen? How you can actually make a profit off of it. And some people actually can conduct and make businesses off Binance as well. I will explain to you in this video what cryptocurrency is, how it functions, where you should invest, how much you should invest. So without further ado, let's start the review of the Binance website. If you can see over here, you can go to Binance.com. You can Google it or go straight. I will put this link in the description below on my video and you can check it out. Now, if you first have a glance at this website, it's going to look very confusing to you. They also have an app, but I'm going to go in detailed on the website first, and then I'm going to go and help you to show you exactly how to navigate the app as well. Now, there are different things over here. The first one is buy crypto. If you do not have crypto, you can always buy it. But if you're mining it, which is another way of actually making crypto or getting currency, which I'll talk about later on in my third or fourth video, you can give that a watch. You'll understand how to do that. But if you want to invest in it, you can deposit via your credit card, via your Visa card. If you want to do P2P trading, which is a bank transfer into your crypto account. If you want to do a cash balance, you can do that. If you're using third party such as Western Union, you can use that as well. But the first thing you need to do is actually you need to register. So if you go to the register over here, I will not register right now for you, but I'll show you what you need to do. You will first pick the residence where you are. I'm in Pakistan right now, so I'm going to go with Pakistan. I will confirm. And then you can register in two ways. The first one you can do by your mobile or by your email. Once you register, you'll get an OTP and you'll put the OTP to actually get into your account. Once you get into an account, you'll have access to seeing information such as what is the trade going on? Is there an increase in the price for different coins or not? But you will not be able to trade until you verify yourself. Once you verify yourself by using your official national ID or your passport, you will be able to trade on Binance. Now, this is a very important thing that you need to understand, that only one account can be made by using one ID or passport. You cannot have multiple accounts. You can only have one account, and you can only use one phone number and one email address. And their verification is very thorough. So please make sure you don't make any mistakes in that. If you have any question in relations to that, you can always message me in the comment section below on Facebook or Instagram, and I'll tend to reply back to you. Now, coming back to the website, once you have got yourself verified, there are certain things that you need to keep in mind. I'll go to the markets and show you what are markets. Once you go to markets, you will see top gainers of the coins, top loser coins, and top volume coins. Top gainer means the coin that has actually gained the most percentage or has increased the most in 24 hours. Now, the top loser coin is the coin that has decreased the most in 24 hours. And the top volume is the coin that has the most investment done in 24 hours. And the highlighted coin is obviously the best coin right now as per working on Binance servers. Now, you can have favorites and you can select one cryptocurrency or one coin and actually make it your favorite so you can see information on it. There are spot markets, there are future markets, and there are listings. I will go into each detail of them in the future, but not in this particular video because I don't want to confuse you guys. This is a page which I'm showing you right now for markets. I will go in great detail in explaining what each one of this price column, 24 hours, the volume, the market gap is going to be, and how you can trade in it. Moving back to the website, as you scroll down, you will see the trends that are happening right now in the current time. They'll give you an option of actually getting in touch with the app through the App Store, through Android, Google Play, Windows, Linux, APIs, or macOS. You can actually download their app and use it from there as well. It's a very nice and easy to use application. I will help you with that as well. You can get 24-hour support from that. They have a Binance log, which is very important because it gives you news and updates about the cryptocurrency exchange. There's a community to have discussion on what is happening. And obviously, if you're looking for a job, you can actually get a career in Binance as well. And this is the best thing I like about it. If you want to learn about any of the Bitcoins or Ethereum or BUSD or BNB or Dogecoins, you can easily go over here and actually click on it, and they'll give you information in regards to it. They have a detailed support center as well. You can submit a request as well, and you have verification that you can actually do in this regard. They have different services that they mention and different products and information about themselves as well that you can easily find over here. Binance is one of the biggest platforms that you could actually use in order to trade in cryptocurrency. Binance, I would feel, is the top 3 best trading markets that can be used in order to make a profit, in order to invest and develop your business side in the cryptocurrency market. Now, what I want to show you guys right now, and this is the first thing I want you guys to do once you get to this website, I want you to learn as much as you can. Navigate through the website. Make yourself familiar with different ideas. Make yourself familiar what trade are. Now you can convert. There's classic, advanced, margins, P2P, strategy trading, swap farming, fan tokens. How you can earn by Binance Earn, Launchpad, savings, staking, BNB Vault, dual investments, liquidity farming, auto invest, Binance Pool. And there's so much. But do not be overwhelmed. My job is to help every single student that's out there right now. Any student that feels is facing a lot of trouble in relations to raising finance for their studies, or if is facing a lot of trouble in getting a job in any of these countries right now, and is facing trouble in actually meeting their necessities, their rent, their tuitions, their living expenses, this is the best thing you can do right now, is to trade in Binance. The Binance and the crypto market at this moment in time is gonna start booming, especially from the start of January. You will see a drastic increase in the cryptocurrency, and a lot of people are shifting towards this right now. So if you're a student, this is the best time to start investing in this particular currency. Now, this is the one thing I want you to do right now after you watch my video. I need you to go on this website, and I want you to scroll down right here and where it says learn. And I want you to click on buy Bitcoin. And when you click on it, you will open a new page. Now, do not buy anything right now. I highly recommend all my viewers do not invest until you watch all my videos. I will guide you and I will help you step by step. If you need individual help in developing an account, in registering an account, you can always message me on WhatsApp and I will guide you step by step to register an account on Binance, to open an account on Binance, and to start trading on Binance. I would recommend everyone watching this video right now to click in the link in the description below and at least register yourself on Binance. By registering yourself on Binance, it will give you an opportunity to explore Binance, to explore the app, to explore what this world is all about. But I recommend do not invest and do not buy anything until you watch all my videos, because I will guide you step by step in this. Coming back to the website, like I mentioned, once you go and click on buy Bitcoins, this page will show up. Do not buy anything. Give it a read. Understand what Bitcoin is. What is Bitcoin? As they've said, Bitcoin is an open source software that since 2009 has enabled the exchange of an entirely new form of money, BTC, over the internet. How do you buy Bitcoins? You can buy Bitcoins by bank transfer, trade Bitcoins, buy Bitcoins by credit card, or purchase Bitcoins directly. You can buy and sell on the move as well by using their app. And where the world trades Bitcoins: fast, simple, secure, trusted, liquid. And what do you do after you buy Bitcoins? They'll give you all that information. I will go through each one of this information for you, but do not click on this link and start buying right now, because there's a lot of information about cryptocurrency that you should know before you start buying. There's a lot of things that you need to understand: how the market functions, what is the dynamics of the market, how does it change, when to invest, how much to invest, where to invest. There are so many coins that you can invest. Do not be quick in investing. Make sure that you understand the coin that you're investing in and you understand how much potential it has in the future. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any of my videos. And if you have not registered yourself on Binance, I highly recommend go in the description below in this video and register yourself through that link. It will help you to explore and to understand. And once you finish watching all my videos, you'll be ready to invest your money and buy Bitcoins and buy cryptocurrencies and start making a ton of money. And it will help you in paying off your fees. It will help you paying off your living expenses. It will help with you investing or starting new businesses as students. If you have any questions, you can always WhatsApp me. I will help you and I will guide you as I am doing for the last couple of years. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.